y'all. I am about to show y'all how I lay my hair under my wig. I just took out my braids, so it's looking crazy. You're gonna need Reto comb. Oh, I don't know what you call this. Your gel of choice. Some defining cream and a wig cap. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I'm showered, I'm clean, I'm moisturized, and I changed my clothes, so I'm comfortable. I have my hair laid down. So I have my wig here. This is the Unice curly wig from Amazon. I'll link it down below. I just washed her. This will be like my 4th time wearing her. The lace is already cut and everything. I just did a little bit more plucking. As you can see, I'm not a wig specialist like at all. So I'm about to add my foundation. This is the 420 Fenty Beauty. I'm about to add this to the lace, and then I'm gonna add it to my cap. It looks super dark. Y'all, this is probably a fail. It's probably a fail. I'm about to lay this wig cap on. Yeah, got to be glued blast and freeze spray that I got from Amazon. Child, I've been watching too many YouTube videos. I don't know not lick about this. Child, we finna try this. I don't. Do y'all see that? Like, what did I do wrong? Like, why does it look patchy? Oh no. Do y'all see this? This side looks okay, but this, oh baby, I might as well just give up now. Like, let's just give up here. All right, let's just put this thing on. Let's just put it on. Let's see what happens. Okay, y'all, so this is what it's looking like. I did cut it into like a little bob, so I probably cut it again. Like, I failed miserably, and I'm pretty sure it's showing on camera, but when I put these filters on this photo, let me show y'all one. Like, just a quick little picture, you can't even tell with the filter on. Isn't that crazy?